Hi, I'm D from America, and this is D4, aka Frankie Boy.
And I'm Julie Pyer, the Kilang Disney princess from the Philippines.
And together we move to Krabi, Thailand.
Hello and welcome to our channel, The Green Acres Family. Today we will be going to give you a tour here in our accommodation in Krabi, Thailand. So, today here's with me my little son, my pogi-pogi boy. So, pagkapasok nyo dito sa bahay, ang una nyong madadatnan is itong parang mini terrace with my sinampay. So, pwede tayong tumambay dito. Pwede kang tumambay. So, madalas dito yung asawa ko, which is our videographer right now. And then, for safety, what do we call this?
Fire extinguisher.
Yeah, fire extinguisher for safety. And then, valid, ito yung main entrance ng bahay. Pagkapasok mo, as you can see, our mini sala. And this is our little girl, Gabriela Macadi. So actually, when we arrived here, this villa is already fully furnished. Kasi yun yung hinahanap talaga namin as a family of 4. So especially for the kids. May TV. Yung anak ko lagi yung nanonood dito. Since she's addicted to Miss Risha. And of course, the couch, which is comfortable naman siya. Ito yung couch. So, comfortable naman siyang upuan. Sakto lang. So, bali open lang yung place. Which is very convenient kasi nagmumukhang spacious yung bahay. So, this is the mini dining area. Medyo makalat. Milk ng bata. Baby bag. Since nagkasakit yung anak ko, maraming gamot. And then, yung fridge. Like I said, fully furnished yung villa nung nag-arrive kami dito. Kitchen. So, may stove na rin siya na pwedeng gamitin pag nagluluto. And then, what's this called? Exhaust fan. So, may sinaing. So, ito na yung pinaka-kitchen ng villa. And then, meron na din siyang microwave and, what's this called, Daddy?
Toaster. So, and then, ang kinagandahan din niya, pwede kang maglaba. So, meron na din siyang automatic washing machine or washer. Every night yon, which is, yung asawa ko kumakatak. So, bali tong villa na to, meron siyang 2 room. So, ipapakita sa inyo yung first room, which is kung saan kami natutulog. So, heto yung first room. Dito kami natutulog na pamilya. Bali yung mga room, meron na din siyang sariling CR or bathroom. So, heto yung bathroom ng room. Heto yung itsura ng CR sa loob. So, let's go, come on. Bali ganito yung itsura ng room. Meron na din siyang air condition. And, meron siyang parang tukador or pwede ring mini office since ginawa siyang mini office ng asawa ko. And then, lampshade. Ito yung bed. A king size bed. Kaya kasya kaming 4. And, sobrang comfortable lang ng bed. Usually, yung asawa ko sumasakit yung likod. Pero, dito sa bed na to. Though, walang laman yung cabinet. Wala talaga siyang laman. So, hindi ko na ipapakita. Because there's nothing in there. So, yeah, ganito lang yung itsura and kasimple yung bahay. And then, window. There's a big window here. So, pag minuksan mo to, makikita mo yung porch. Or terrace. Yeah. So, sa part na to, meron ulit siyang sliding door, which is, pwede kang lumabas, pero, actually, hindi ko alam yung purpose ng door na to. So, heto yung first room. So, samahan niyo ako sa second room. Let's go! So, heto yung, magkatapat lang sila actually. So, heto yung second room. And of course, pagkapasok mo, CR. So, dito kami naliligo, guys. Actually, ang ganda ng mga CR nila. Which is, ganito yung gustong-gusto kong CR. Simple lang. It's the same as the other room actually. King size din yung bed dito. So, sa mga friends namin na gustong pumasyal dito sa Krabi, Thailand, you're welcome here. You can visit us and free accommodation. Katulad ng kabilang room, meron ding sliding door dito. Which is, hindi ko alam kung ano talaga yung purpose. Maybe for the sun, para pumasok sa loob ng room. Maybe. Which is, walang laman. Walang laman. There's nothing in there. Kasi, the reason kaya walang laman yung mga cabinet is because we did not unpack our things since we're planning to move out by the end of the month.
So staycation.
Yeah. It's just like staycation. Actually, we keep moving around Krabi, Thailand because we want to see the place. So, we want to check everything about Krabi. So far, we like it. Sobrang ganda lang ng place, very peaceful and so quiet. Which is, ito talaga yung hanap naming mag-asawa. That's all. Ito na lahat yung place, very convenient and spacious, especially yung mga room sobrang laki. If you come here, pretty sure you will enjoy your stay here.
Yeah. Awesome.
Look at Frankie. Look at your Frankie boy. Look at that Frankie boy. He's so foggy. Oh, sorry.
Kiss face.
He's so foggy. Look.
Before, after. So you know what's coming, huh?
This is before.
What?
We are before, and then they are after.
What? No. No, this is what we used to look like before. Boy, listen. You were me. You were me. This is what you're gonna be. And this is what you're gonna be. Oh, you got lucky. Oh, you got lucky. Oh, you got lucky, boy.